This is Grandma and Pepe's birthday present to Rosalie. She's got a stroller.
A baby doll stroller.
A baby doll stroller. That's for Rosalie to push her dolls in, but Claire is pushing Rosalie in.
Oh, Rosalie fits in it.
Yep.
Claire thinks it's her baby.
Oh boy, careful.
Oh,
Did she jump
dumped
out?
her.
Did she jump out?
Yeah.
That's funny.
Get back in there.
Can Rosie go on my bed?
No, she'd go in the stroller, that's it.
That's funny.
There you go. Put her in there. Yay! Fun! Say happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Rosalie.
When is cake?
We're
Later?
gonna do cupcakes in a little bit.
Oh,
Rose!
good. Rosie wants
she's
to get out.
escaping.
You
Your baby's
It's a perfect
escaping.
size.
Come on, Rose. Here.
So Rosalie likes it.
Yeah, she does. She likes to be the baby. Hey! Apparently I'm not allowed in there with all these no's.
Yeah.
This
No
is
entry.
the finger for quiet.
Where?
Right there. Oh,
Finger.
do you see? Okay, happy birthday, Rosalie.